Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to fix Google Chrome tabs keep auto refreshing. So you have to open your Chrome browser. So when you have to open your Google Chrome browser, you have to go to three dots of setting on the top right corner and scroll down to find settings and more scroll down, and there is the option privacy and security, and you have to click to the preload pages. So you have to click extend preloading, so that's refreshing, auto refreshing your Google Chrome tabs and pages which are working and activity on some sites. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.